fucking face, so what? I'm a numb nigga, chop on me with a drum nigga, run up on me, you a dumb nigga, shoot shit up, Molly in my...
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chillwell, and I am back with another video, man. And in today's video, as y'all can tell by the title and by the thumbnail, we got another clothing unboxing slash review slash try on haul, man, for some graphic tees. Today we got some clothes from the brand West.ENDGRAPHICS, man, and shout out to West.ENDGRAPHICS if y'all are watching this video. And the reason I'm saying that is because West.ENDGRAPHICS just started their brand no longer than a month ago. And when I mean they're a very early starting brand, they only have 4 followers on their Instagram. So for them to trust me and send me some clothes for free to do a review on, to help them get sales, that's love. So shout out to them. Their link will be down below, so if y'all want to go support them. But like I said, we will be doing an unboxing slash try on haul to 2 graphic tees that they sent today. So with saying that, man, make sure to leave a like on this video, comment some more videos I want to see down below, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell, because we're on the road to 4K. But I feel like we're gonna skip 4K and go straight to 5K. We're gonna blow up this July because I got straight heat for y'all. So like I said, make sure you guys ring the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They'll be down here in the corner. I've been active on there, so go check me out. But that's enough talking. Let's get right into the video. All right, y'all. So before we get into all the details and stuff like that, shipping, I'm gonna start off with shipping. They texted me, I'm gonna say in like the beginning of, I'm gonna say May, maybe, letting me know that they wanted me to, no, not even that late, like mid-May, letting me know that they wanted me to do a review on their clothing and stuff. And it took them some time to make it production. So then they finally get back to me, maybe beginning of June, mid-June, that they were gonna send it. And then like a week ago, they did finally send it off. And I had to wait a few days because they sent it on a Friday, or he or she, whoever, like if it's a guy or a girl who made the brand, they took a few days to send it out because it was the weekend. So they sent it out, the person sent it out on Friday, the mail people didn't ship it to me till that Monday, and they finally came on that Monday. So shipping time was not that long, you know, especially if they have the shirts already made. But if they don't have them already made, I'm gonna say just give it, I'm gonna estimate and say it takes 2 weeks for these shirts to come, just in case y'all wanna show them love and y'all wonder how long it's gonna take. So if that made sense, I'm sorry. But if it didn't, I'm sorry, I cannot talk. But it took 2 weeks to get here. So prices, I'm not 100% sure how much they cost because like I said, I got this as a gift for free to like boost their stuff, but I'm pretty sure they're in between $20 and $40. Y'all can go check it out. Like I said, their link to their website will be in the description below. I haven't checked the website out. I don't know if they have any more tees up right now or not. Like I said, they just started, but y'all can all do that for yourself. But yeah, this is the package. It just came with a regular white package, had the address on this side, all that, so I ain't gonna show you that. So we're gonna pop it open. I already know the 2 tees that he sent, because he or she sent, because they showed me in the DMs which ones they sent me. So I think they already had a few pre-made. So yeah, let's test them out. So we got 2. I don't know which one this is first. I just know they're both black. So I don't know. I'm gonna open it up and see which one this is. And this is the Travis Scott one. This is a size large. I ordered these in a size large because I wanted them to have a little oversized fit. So this is how the graphic tee is looking. It's a Travis Scott graphic tee. As you can see, they have the West.ENDGRAPHICS little tag in here, right there, and it has a size, 100% cotton. Starting off with the feel of it, the shirt is really good quality, bro. This shirt feels really soft. Not gonna lie, like for quality, when I go for quality, I talk about the softness and how long you think it will last. Based off of how soft it is and how comfortable it feels, it feels really comfortable. How long it would last, with it being so soft, it probably wouldn't last like crazy long, but I feel like you can have this for a good amount of time before you would have to like get rid of it or use it as like a workout shirt. So that's good off rip. I'm gonna say I'm gonna give them an 8.5 on the quality. Shipping, I'm gonna give them a 9. That was pretty good too. The look of it, I love the graphic. Like I said, I'm not a big Travis Scott fan. They just, like, it was for free, so I really don't care. I like the graphics, really cool. It has all the Astro World stuff like that on it. It looks pretty cool. But the only thing is I can see that this is like one of them screen, like, what's the word? You get like the paper and the iron, and you iron it on. Like a lot of people can do it at home, like not in a bad way. But that's what I can see. This is what this is. The same thing with the tag, because the tag in the top corner is peeling a little, just a little. I can rip this off if I wanted to. But I'm not gonna bash nobody. I'm just gonna be blunt and honest, you know, because I don't want to give out false hope and stuff and mess people up. I want everybody to be positive and grow their brand, you know. I don't want them to give out bad quality all the time, you know, because you only can go up, you know. So overall, shirt's pretty good, you know, not gonna lie. Overall, the whole shirt, I'm gonna give it a rating of like a 7. So West.ENDGRAPHICS, you're checking this out, man, or she, keep I don't know, keep doing your thing, you know what I'm saying? And you know, just take the advice, you know, because this is peeling off. Like, as you can see, it's literally, hold on, I don't know if you can see it, but you can see it's like, there you go, it's like peeling off already, but still a fire shirt. Yeah, so this is the first shirt. I'm gonna give it a 7. I'm gonna show you how it looks on me in a second, but first I'm gonna show you the second shirt they sent me. So yeah, with the second shirt, we got another one, and I know since I was a Travis Scott one, this is the Stephen Curry, you know, Mr. Finals MVP. And this is the same feel, same size. This one's fresh, I ain't even gonna lie to you. That's really, really tough, I like that. One thing I could advise for you, West.ENDGRAPHICS, is that if you guys are gonna wanna make graphic tees, you know what I'm saying? You have to learn how to, like, you know, use a computer and learn how to be, like, what's the word? Design it to where you don't have to print it, like make it on a piece of paper, print the paper out and then like iron it on it, make it to where, like, you see how you have all this cool stuff, the graphics are fire, but you see how it's just like a square border, looks like just a paper was put on there? Bro, learn how to, like, when you can do it on a computer where you can screen print it right onto the shirt so that you can have the word Stephen all the way across the top, Curry all the way at the bottom, and the pictures, like the whole thing is like a mirror, like a mural, like not just like a little piece of paper. So that's one piece of advice I would give you. I'm not, like, I don't know too much about it because I haven't did it before, but I will be starting a clothing brand soon when my channel blows up a little bit. So, you know, I'm just trying to give you some advice that I'm gonna actually use. So yeah, overall the graphics on this, I like this one a little better. I'm not a Warriors fan, so I'm not gonna claim I am. I just like Steph Curry, he's a cool guy, you know, really good basketball player. And the shirt's fire. It says Babyface Assassin, you know, has a signature, all that on it. So overall, this brand, I'm gonna give it, overall the whole brand in the total, I'm gonna give it a 7.5. You know, pretty good for your first rating. Like I said, they only have 4 followers, so for them to just, this is what they're starting off with, it's pretty good because everybody says that they can do better, but you don't see everybody doing it. So at least West.ENDGRAPHICS, you took the step forward to do it. So with saying that, man, I appreciate that. If you want to send me some more clothing in the future, and you know, after you upgrade, maybe make a little more changes to your brand, and you think you did a little better and you want to have me do a review on it, like I said, hit me in the DMs, you already know. But I'm gonna show you how they look on me, and we're gonna get right back, and no, we're gonna end the video. So let's get right into the B-roll. All right, y'all, so that's how the shirts look on me. And as you can see, you know, the shirt fit pretty well. The only thing that I didn't really like was how big the neck part, like the neck, what's it called? How the neck was around it. You know, the U on the neck was kind of big. But other than that, the shirt felt pretty good. It fit pretty good. Like I said in the beginning, the only thing you need to work on is just the graphics, because yeah, when I was putting it on, I could just feel it. If I was to wash that once or twice, the graphic will fall off. The shirt was very, very comfortable. Like, just the overall, the black t-shirt was very comfortable, but just the graphic, I'm telling you, it will fall off after 1 or 2 washes. But other than that, the brand is pretty good, especially for you just starting. Not gonna even lie to you. Like I said, this is no hate, no negativity. We only bring positivity on this channel. I'm just trying to help you grow, help you be better, you know, keep doing your thing. So I appreciate the love, and I appreciate West.ENDGRAPHICS for sending me this. Like I said, if y'all want to give them a shot and try them out, the link will be down in the description below. You know, y'all can only listen to my opinion so much. Y'all need to go check them out for yourself if y'all want to see if y'all like any of them shirts, you know what I'm saying? So saying that, make sure to leave a like on this video, comment some more videos you want to see down below, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. That'll be down here in the corner, and I will catch y'all in the next one. I'm gone.